Hello and welcome to our MasterChef program of tonight. Tonight we've got a special guest, a very famous chef from Great Britain, Sophia Brady.
Hello.
Big applause for our special guest. Sophia, what are you going to prepare for us today?
We will be making scones today.
What are they?
They are a cake made of dough and you eat it with cream and jam.
Okay, great. So let's have a look at the ingredients. What do we have here?
So we will be using 2 cups of flour, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 packet of baking powder, 3 tablespoons of butter, and half a teaspoon of salt and some milk.
Okay, perfect. So let's get started.
Okay, so we'll start off with the flour.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you just put it into the bowl, right?
Put it all into the bowl.
Okay. 2 cups of flour, as you can see. Now you said 2 tablespoons of sugar.
2 tablespoons of sugar.
Yeah, I believe you usually start with the dry ingredients, right?
Yeah,
When
yes.
doing this. Okay.
1.
So it's not very sweet, is it?
No, it's quite healthy. Not too
Okay,
bad.
okay. And you said the baking powder?
Powder.
Now you put some salt in it too. Just
So
half?
just half teaspoon.
Okay. What comes next?
And then we can do the egg.
Okay.
So just crack the egg open.
Use a cup, right? You
Yeah.
don't use it just with hands. Better like this. Okay.
Put it in there.
Okay.
Just put it into the bowl.
Alright. And now that must come the batter, right? Our
And
last
now
ingredient.
yes, our last and final ingredient.
What about the butter? Do we melt it or it should be cold?
No, it should be cold.
Okay.
And it was
3.
3.
3 tablespoons. Okay. I believe it can be even bigger, right? I suppose the more butter, the better.
The better.
Yeah, right. Okay, that's great.
Very good.
And now I suppose we have to start.
Mixing it with
Mixing.
our hands.
Okay. Hands or the spoon, whatever, right?
Yeah.
Maybe you can start with the spoon first, and then in the last phase you have to use your hands,
to
right?
make the dough.
What about the milk then?
So the milk, you just add it if it needs it. If it's too
Too dry.
Too dry.
Okay, okay. So maybe we can put some, right? Can I help you?
Yes, thank you.
So just a little bit like this. And I believe it's time to use our
Get
hands,
messy.
right? Yeah, the messy part of the recipe.
Okay.
Here we go. Okay, so is it the way that the dough should look like?
No, we do need a bit more flour.
Okay, it's maybe too sticky,
A bit
right?
too sticky.
Okay, so let's see if this is enough now. My mom used to tell me that you know that your dough is perfect once it's not like sticky, right? That your hand gets clean when you do
Yes.
it. Okay, so this is probably what we have to do. What will you do now with the dough once it is?
So I will form one big ball and cut them into 4 slices. Divide them into 4 slices, and again, and just start making shapes with them.
Okay. Do you need more flour?
Yes,
You think?
please.
Yeah, a little bit more. Okay. Does it get better now?
Getting there.
Yeah, great. Can I try?
Yeah,
make
do you
a
want
ball?
to?
Yeah, I'd like to. hope I
Have a
won't
go.
spoil your recipe.
No.
Thank you. Okay, so yeah, it still feels a bit sticky, right? So maybe not so much. So how many scones will we have from this?
I believe we will make 8 scones.
Okay, great. And once again, could you tell us how we eat them in the end?
Yes, we put. It doesn't really matter if you put the jam or cream first, but you eat it with cream and jam.
Okay, and when, on which occasion do you usually eat scones
A lot
in
of them
Britain?
eat it at tea parties with tea.
Okay,
Tea.
so in the afternoon,
Yeah.
afternoon tea party.
Yeah, around 12 midday.
Oh, okay, I thought
Yeah.
it was in the
You can
afternoon.
do it in the afternoon as well.
Okay.
Late brunch.
What about in your family? Do you make scones traditionally? Do you make them often or not?
No, we don't make them often. No.
Okay. So I think, do you think this is fine now?
That looks good.
It looks good. So shall I make the bowl?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So I think something like this. So what shall we do now?
Divide it.
Yeah, shall I do
Do
it?
you want to, yeah?
Okay. Okay, maybe we can do it here, it's true. So I'll cut it into half. And then?
And half again.
Okay. So this would be too big, right? If I just
Yes.
left it, because there is the baking powder, right?
If you just divide it again.
Okay,
You
so
have
now
8
we'll
small
have 8
pieces.
small pieces, that's right. Whoop. Here we go.
Perfect.
And now?
And now you just make the shapes. You don't have to have them in a circular shape. You can do a star or heart,
Okay.
anything you'd like.
Okay, so I'll try to make the circular shape first.
Mhm.
Something like this?
Yeah.
Yeah? Well, I don't have them
Yes.
really equal, but I might try. Do you want to make some?
So these are the traditional shapes. We usually have the scones. So we are now going to pop them onto the baking tray and put them into the oven for 20 minutes on
Okay.
180 degrees.
Okay, let's do that. And I believe they will go a bit, they will get bigger.
They will rise.
They will rise.
Bigger.
Let's give them space. And into the oven?
And now just put them in the oven.
Okay, thank you. I'm sure they'll be delicious. Thank you, Sophia.
You're welcome. Thank you. Bye-bye.
This is the final result. The scones, lightly brown after being baked for about 20 minutes. Then we put the jam on it and the whipped cream. If you want to, you can decorate it with some fresh fruit, or you can also just put the two parts one on another and have like a sweet sandwich. Enjoy your meal!